Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, yes. Oh, Cathwood. Neato.
It's like Dalton's. Does it work? It works.
Thank y'all. We've been needing a new pair of headphones.
What makes those good? Because we don't really know. We just heard that was a good brand.
I've heard they are too. I've never had a pair.
What did Mama get?
Sephora. Oh, good stuff. Oh. That's it.
Is that the one?
That's it. That's great. This is the best lip balm that goes around.
You'd have to hide it from Lainey if she was here.
Oh, really?
Remember Jennifer, she asked you if you had lipstick on?
Oh,
She said she goes around the house and gets all the lipsticks and puts them in her little bag. She's obsessed with lipstick.
What's it say? I got gifts.
I guess you were a good boy, darling.
Put it on. Maybe tonight. Okay, open yours.
We can video for a couple minutes. It's going, just point it at us.
It's all glare. Yep, because the sun's out.
Oh, more warm work side.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you, Sandy.
Okay, I'm gonna fix it. It's too glary.
Just push the red button. Turn